are watching me news. Lynn released her autobiography this week. The book's imaginative title is Lynn. Lynn appeared in person at a signing session and said, "Now you know the real me." According to sources, she wrote it mostly by herself. We asked some islanders their opinions.
How is this even in the news?
What? Thanks for watching. I'm Catherine Johnson and this was the latest Me News report. Tottering terrors, the lollipop giant is wobbling his way here right now. Richard, you have to do something. By the power of yellow omelettes. Omelette girl saves the day. Remember kids, never try to eat with your mouth closed. I glow like the sunset, I'm shepherd's delight. My rhymes smell so bad I mean... I love cheese like your mom, just having fun. Feels like living in a love, baby. Eating cheese just you and me. Somewhere all alone, watching the red fall down. Hope this gang lasts forever, 'cause I must kill you.
My soothing voice makes the crowd unwind. My style is so high, it's above the tree line.
I'm a lyrical architect, you can't beat my design. I'm a planet-sized talent, this is a solar eclipse.
I've got more rhymes than a group has, or it is.
I love Bago's fake cats, so funny, just laughing at us.